what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys read by the title, today I will finally be making my 350Z legal again. The reason that it's not legal is because my tags have been expired since I think like December of 2021, so it's been like 5 months. Before I got the Q50, I was riding around dirty up in here. I had no tags. I mean, I paid my tags obviously, but if you live in the beautiful state of California, you must do a smog check every 2 years. And well, it's not the easiest for this car to pass, but I finally reverted it back to stock so I can pass this test. So yeah, I'm gonna go get this smog check done. But yeah guys, let's go ahead and make this car legal again so I can start enjoying it more and going to where car meets, because that's actually why I kind of stopped going. Because as it is, going to a car meet in a car like this isn't the smartest idea, just because of how modified it is, and especially with no tags, bro. Like, if I go without tags, guys, like the probability of me getting pulled over shoots up like probably like double. Because obviously that's a clear reason for me to get pulled over. Even though my tags are paid, the actual tags are not on the car due to the smog. So I mean, that's why I kind of stopped. But anyways, I do need some E85 that isn't reading correctly, but I'll probably pump after just to go there first. Alright guys, and just like that, the car is legal. The car passed with flying colors. Yeah guys, if you guys need any type of smog service or anything in general, hit up my boys over at Sonora Smog. The Instagram is right here. Good people, was in and out really quick. Strongly recommend them. And yeah guys, I'm happy. I'm a happy customer. Now I'm gonna go pump some E85 because it says I don't have gas, but I know I have gas. I don't know how many times I've said this already, but my gas flow just doesn't work. So yeah, I have gas, but it just doesn't read it correctly. But regardless, I'm gonna just be safe and go buy some gas. Alright guys, I have an 8. About to head to the gym, so I'm gonna grab me a little naked real quick, and hopefully, I mean, it fills me up a little bit. Alright guys, 350, bro, that's ridiculous. Actually, it's not that bad, I guess. I pumped that 4 bucks the other day. It's not that bad. Bro. Oh, I didn't click it, my bad. Alright guys, so I forgot to pick up the camera pretty much after the last clip you guys just saw. So yeah guys, I mean, the car is finally legal. I can finally drive it in peace. Not in peace, but before I would take it out and I would just have to be watching my back. Apart from this car being heavily modified, I mean, driving around with no tags is no fun. For those of you guys that know my homie Eric, he actually got pulled over for having no tags about like 2 months ago. So yeah guys, not fun. It's obviously an excuse to get pulled over, and I mean, I don't need any more excuses besides the obvious. But yeah guys, now with this, I will be taking this car out a lot more. I did drop off my lip for paint like 3 weeks ago, and I haven't gotten it back. At this point, I think I'm gonna just go pick it up and take it somewhere else because it's kind of ridiculous. Once I get that painted and installed, the car will look 10 times better. And yeah, I mean, I'll pretty much have the motivation to fix my carbon hood and do all the little other things that I have. Like I have the door handles, I have a couple of little parts that I have inside. I'll finally have the motivation to add them on. But yeah guys, before I end this video, I'm actually gonna go out really quick in this car. So I thought, why not just grab the GoPro and give you guys a little bit of a POV drive at night. Let's go. Alright guys, I'm back. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are all as happy as I am. The Z is finally legal. And I hope you guys liked the little activities I did in the Q50. It was kind of raining outside a little bit right now, so as you guys saw by the last clip, it got a little sideways, it got a little slippery. But yeah guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can learn whenever I post, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.